Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the Find My app and confirming you're signed into the same Apple ID as your AirPods. This lets the system locate them. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are active on your phone so signals register. Then check the last seen timestamp, and if the AirPods appear online, tap play sound immediately to hear a chirp. This first action often resolves most short-distance losses because sound pinpoints proximity quickly. You now move from prep to active locating by using the map view in Find My. Zoom in on the last seen pin to understand where to search. If your iPhone supports precision finding, follow the directional arrows and distance readout to narrow down to a specific room or area. Make sure to play sound intermittently as you approach, and simultaneously check your Bluetooth devices list and common spots like jacket pockets and bags so you don't miss a hidden case. You finish by securing the AirPods in their case as soon as you hear or see them to end the sound and verify they reconnect to your device. If the AirPods appear offline, enable Notify when found and methodically retrace your route while checking likely spots. Sometimes battery drain makes them invisible temporarily. If problems persist, check the last seen battery clue, call or visit places you were, and consider replacement options only after exhaustive searching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.